If there's one weed in my lawn that I always struggle to contain, it's broadleaf plantains. Controlling them, you can use many different weed killers out there, but I recently found this Sunday product, not sponsored, bought this with my own money to test out on dandelions, and it actually turns out it works really well on clover as well, and it works okay-ish on the plantains. Now, it does need a couple of applications, but today we're going to take out this plantain that's right here. Need to do this on a nice warm day, typically below 90 degrees. Make sure that the plantain is actively growing so that it absorbs the chelated iron that's in here and basically just overdoses the weed on iron and yeah, knocks it out. Very similar to how it works on dandelions. So we're going to spray the plantain here, and we've got our couple down here that we're going to take care of. This is my little test plot right here. We've got a bunch of weeds and different things going on here that I am just working through and doing tests on to see what products work and what products don't. Now, Dandelion Doom, it is still a herbicide, but it is a little bit safer than some of the other products you may get at the big box store. Now, it has chemicals in here. I'm not saying it doesn't have chemicals in here, because everything has chemicals. It just has less harsh chemicals. But as always, spray this on your yard. Make sure there's no rain on the horizon. Let it dry, and then your pets and kids can return to the area. I'm going to spray Sunday on this nice bottle here. Come in different types of sprayers, but one here, it's automatic. Make sure it's unlocked, and you just spray away. Got to cover the leaves. And whatever else is in here. 24 hours later, and the plantain is not doing too hot, it's starting to curl up and starting to go a little brown. Camera's not picking up very well, but it is starting to brown up a little bit in there, and it is dying off. Same with the two little test ones I did in here. This one here is doing not so good either. This plantain right here, really dark green, starting to brown up and die off. And this is what the plantains look like 4 days after spraying them. They're dying off. They're basically gone already. If you want to get this Dandelion Doom for yourself, I'll leave a link to the YouTube shopping tab below. But thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, you want to see more of my DIY content around the home, make sure you check out this video here next.